my bells, welcome to today's video. So as you guys can tell from the title, this is gonna be our guest bedroom tour. Of course, I believe you guys had seen a little sneak peek of the guest bedroom, you know, from my, I believe, Sunday reset video a few weeks ago. But today I'm going to be doing a tour, and guys, I can't wait to share this bedroom with you guys. Here we are guys. One thing I would say about this particular bedroom is the sunlight, the natural light, all the windows, guys. I was telling hubby, I said I wish this is actually the master bedroom, because this place, it's all light. I mean, if you don't want to use, you know, lights, you know, kind of put on your headlights, just the lights coming in from the window is amazing. It's like top notch, guys. Definitely my favorite room in this home. Let's start from the bedroom, because if you watched the house tour, you guys know that this is more like, let me see if you guys can see it in one shot. This is more like a long room. So kind of, let me see. So it starts from over there. So it's kind of a very long room all the way down. And I was telling hubby, I said that I was thinking of putting the bed here, but for some reason I don't like the idea of having the bed right by the windows, right? So that way, if the bed was to be here, the room would have flowed all the way down. But I just love the way the whole room came together. Okay guys, let me know if you guys like this. This jumpsuit is definitely, this jumpsuit is not giving me what I want, guys. I'm supposed to take it in right at the back, so that way it can kind of cinch my waist. But anyways, guys, let me know if you guys enjoy tour videos, or you like to see kind of the whole thing, you know, bringing in the rug, bringing in the furnitures, placing them where they are supposed to be. But like I said, if you watched the house tour of this video, you remember I told you guys my idea of how to furnish this particular bedroom right here. And as you guys can see, let's just start from the bed, because you guys know that this bed, if you've been an avid follower of this channel, you know that this bed is from the old house. I love this bed, guys. So when we were selling off the furniture from the old house, I was like, what other bed is gonna like look this nice, you know, if I were to sell this and buy a new bed? So at the end of the day, I decided to keep this bed, which I absolutely love. So as you guys can see, I've actually been a lover of having mirror on the sides of, kind of on the nightstand. As you guys can see, we have two mirrors right here. And let me tell you, everything I used in this guest bedroom is not, it's not gonna, like, it's not expensive at all. I got these two mirrors, I believe, for less than $200 from Wayfair. And then also I got this kind of gold accent piece, you know. I'm not used to having my bed, especially the upper part of my bed, empty. If you guys remember from the old house, we had kind of a 3D wall all on the bed side, so we didn't need to have something like this. But even with that, I still had like two frames above the bed. I just love having I love having something on the headboard. So I have this accent gold piece right here, the two mirrors. Of course, you guys are familiar with the lamps, and also the nightstands, because they are from the old house. And of course, I went ahead and made up the bed, you know, keep it really nice and simple. And as you guys also can see over here, I was thinking of what to put on this side of, you know, the wall. Since you guys can see, this wall is empty, and over on that side is more like the lounge area. So I left that side for the lounge, and I was like, what is going to fit in here? Until I thought about a mirror, like a standing mirror. And look at this. This is a full-size standing mirror. Absolutely love it. I'm in love with the height. I'm in love with the symmetric. Like, it's a very simple mirror. It doesn't have a lot going on with it, which is one of the reasons I love it, because I wanted it to kind of blend. As you guys can see, the mirror on the bed, you know, the nightstand area is very, very simple and chic. So I decided to put this mirror here, which I think it just gave this wall a very nice character, unlike, you know, leaving the wall empty. Alright guys, so looking at the floor, you guys can see we have a very nice modern chic rug on the floor. And for up here, I'm thinking, you know, in the future we are probably going to turn, you know, the carpet. We're probably going to change the carpet from, you know, carpet to hardwood floor. But for now, I decided to put this carpet, you know, on top of the carpet we already have, just to kind of tie the whole room together. And also because the carpet that was here is a little old, you know. If you watched the house tour, guys, you know that almost everywhere in this house was covered with carpet. So of course we changed all the carpets downstairs to hardwood floor, and not hardwood floor, vinyl floor. And up here we're thinking of, you know, in the future, probably in a few months, we're going to be changing the carpets up here. We kind of did the project downstairs first, and then upstairs is going to be the next project. But for now, I just decided to put this beautiful rug down here, guys, and I absolutely love the color of the rug. I love the fact that it has kind of an abstract color on it. It has a very nice kind of streaks of black on it, which I absolutely love, and it blends so well with the theme of the room. The room is white, it's cream, it's gold, it's black, it's kind of caramel, should I say caramel color, or a little bit of, I don't even know what to call this color, guys. But anyways, moving on here, as you guys can see, we have the TV, and also I have a TV stand. This right here came in so handy because I was kind of trying to figure out what to put on this area right here until I thought of a TV stand. This is so sturdy and it's not expensive. I believe this was under $300. Of course, you guys know that everything you see in this room is going to be linked in my description box. So if there's anything you see here that you really like, definitely check out my description box, because I'm going to be listing everything there. And as you guys can see, also we have a fireplace. This fireplace is amazing. It works, you know, it brings out heat. You know, if you want it to bring out heat, it brings out heat. If you want just to put it as an aesthetic, you know, just the light showing, it does the same thing. Absolutely love this furniture right here. And the fact that, you know, when I wasn't sure, of course I did my measurement, but still I wasn't sure if, I love it when the TV stand, you know, has a little, like, when the TV stand is housing the TV, as you guys can see. So the TV, it gives it like, I would say maybe 5 inches on the two sides, which makes the TV be in the middle. And then this actually, you know, houses the TV, which I absolutely love. And it comes with this sectionals right here and over here. I haven't put anything there at the moment, but for now I just put up our pictures and also an accent piece right here. So this is the, I would say, the bedroom side of the, I would say the bed side of the bedroom, guys. This is how it's looking. It's so cute, it's simple, it's, I don't know, it's chic. I just love it. I love how this whole guest bedroom turned out. Like I said, let me know if you guys like kind of seeing the furnishing, kind of seeing the furnishing from A to Z, or if you guys like the tour, you know, when I've already finished putting everything, then I just do what I'm doing here. I just come around and show you guys everything. If you prefer the tour, or if you prefer seeing it from the ground up, if you prefer me showing you, you know, how I install the whole bedroom, the whole furniture and things, definitely let me know in the comment section, because I still have the girls' bedroom, I still have our master bedroom coming up. So let me know, guys. But yeah, over on this side, I decided to add kind of a stool. I used to have this in my, let me make sure you guys are seeing what I'm showing you. This I used to have in my closet, you know, in the old house, but I just feel like it fits perfectly in here if you don't want to lay on the bed. Like for me, for now, we are still using here because like I told you guys, the bed frame for the master bedroom is still under construction, so we haven't set up the master bedroom yet. This is the bedroom we are using for now. I and hubby, of course the kids have their own bedroom, but this is the bedroom we're using for now. So sometimes when I'm editing and I don't want to lay on the bed, or I don't want to sit in the lounge part of this bedroom, I just simply sit here with my computer or just sit here and watch a movie. It's very, very convenient. And I felt like I had a lot of space here, you know, when I put the bed and also the TV stand, there was a lot of space here. So adding a bench here was really, really ideal. You know, you can call it a bench, you can call it a footstool, but yeah, I just added this here. It's white and gold, and it blends so well with the theme of the bedroom. So as you guys can see, here we are. This is like the sleeping side of the room, and this is like the lounge part of the room. As you guys can see, I have this gorgeous sofa right here. It actually is a two-set sofa. I left one of the sofas in the living room downstairs. I don't know, no, I don't think I've posted the living room makeover yet, but yeah, this came as a set of two. I just put one here and then one downstairs. But yeah, this is what we have here, guys. I have the curtain. Actually, I just a little thing, I would have changed this curtain to black. You know, I was telling Hobby, I said maybe we try a black curtain, but child, when I received the curtain, guys, I put it on. I was like, what is this? I'm not used to having dark colored curtains. I just love my curtains. I just love white, cream, beige, you know, all those natural color curtains. I don't like going kind of dark, you know, with my curtains. So I'm so glad I decided to keep these curtains. But yeah, this is what this side of the room is looking like. And then my sofa, this is like the lounge area. All right, guys, so on the lounge area, as you guys can see, I also have this carpet. You know, I float the carpet from the bedside to the lounge area, as you guys can see. So I have the one by the bedside is 9 by 12. This one, I believe, is either 6 by 10 or something. And, you know, it corresponds with the color in the bed area, and also it ties in with the lounge area. So if you have a room like this, you know, a long room in this shape, putting the lounge area on this side and then the bed area on that side is perfect. I have this very nice, gorgeous, very simple coffee table. You know, of course, when you have a sofa, you have to accent chairs. You can go ahead and put a coffee table here. When I was shopping for coffee table, guys, I wanted to get a round coffee table, but then on a second thought, I was like, since the couch is already like this, you know, it's already in, what shape is this? Should I say square or rectangle? It's like, you know, it's already straight like this. So I decided to get a coffee table that also mirrors the shape of the couch. And it fits in so well, because by the time I added this accent piece right here, you know, the two chairs, it just tied the whole thing together. And of course, I have some decor here. And moving on this side, I'm not sure if you guys remember this side in our old house, in our old bedroom. I decided to keep this furniture because I really love it. I love this Credenza a lot, so I kept it, and also the frame. So basically, I just put the frame and also the Credenza and some decor, and it tied with the whole lounge area of this bedroom. And then over on that side, these two frames used to be in our bedroom, you know, in the headboard with the old house. But as you guys can see, I decided to do just make a little thing right here with a very, you know, nice, what is it called? A very nice plant. I would say this is like my picture perfect section, if I may say. I just love the fact that these two frames also ties with the frame on that section I just showed you guys. And yeah, guys, I feel like with the way this place is looking, it's just perfect. I don't even need to do more in this room, guys. I feel like it's perfect. Somebody told me, Omabelletv, if I'm to be your visitor, I'm not leaving. Like if I visit you, I'm not gonna leave. guys, I welcome as much visitors as possible in this home. You know, one of the reasons that I am so thankful and we are so happy that, you know, this home is ours is the fact that it's just the perfect amount of bedrooms we asked for. You know, we asked God for bedrooms for the kids, and also we are able to have a visitor's room, a guest bedroom. And yeah, looking at this bedroom right here, I feel like my vision, you know, my vision, I love how everything came together nicely. I believe I'm done. I think I'm done with this bedroom. Honestly, there is nothing else to do. There is a lounge area, there is a bed area. Any visitor coming in here, they know that they are going to definitely feel at home. But yep, my love, I believe that is all there is. This bodysuit or this jumpsuit, I have to take it to my seamstress. It's so annoying. It's annoying me. But anyways, guys, but yep, you guys, I believe that is all there is to this bedroom tour. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know which of the colors you love. I actually really love the accent chair, guys, because as you guys can see, I also tied it into the bedroom. So, you know, the whole thing is gonna flow since there is kind of, should I say terracotta brown over there. I also decided to add kind of a terracotta brown comforter on the bed, which tied the whole room together. But yep, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Definitely look out for our vlog. I believe there is a vlog coming up on Sunday, so definitely look out for that. And till my next video, I will see you all very soon. Bye.